Hi, we're going to take a look at triangle sums where we're actually going to solve for x, where x is going to be in some form of an expression. Looking at number 1, we have a triangle with angles 50, 80, and then 5x minus 5. We should know that by now the sum for a triangle, so we can draw a triangle here, is equal to 180 degrees. So that means that we have 50 plus that angle of 80 plus our angle of 5x minus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 80 is 130 plus 5x minus 5, I'm going to drop the parentheses now, is equal to 180. Simplifying on this side, I have 130 minus 5 is 125 plus 5x is equal to 180. You could probably solve this faster just using a calculator and subtracting things off. I'm just trying to show step by step what you can do. I need to move the 125 from this side over to this side. So I'm going to subtract 125. Subtract 125. That gives me 5, and 5x, bringing that down from above. So I have 5x equals 55. I need to divide by what's next to x, so divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 over 5 is 1. That leaves me with an x. 55 divided by 5 is 11. We could take that and plug it in. 4x, and 5 times 11 is 55. Take away 5 is 50, so this angle is 50. I'm just again plugging in the value of 11 we got for x. We have 50 for that angle. We have 50, which is 100, plus 80 is 180. So it totals out correct. That is how we solve these. I need for you to understand that symbol right there, number 3, means that that angle is 90 degrees, in case you forgot. So that means that you would have 50 plus 90 plus 4x is equal to 180. There is a little quicker way, and you can ask Miss Suggs about that, but it's something about these two angles equaling 90, since that one's already 90. Anyway, I'll leave that for y'all to discuss later. If you have questions, please ask Miss Suggs or email me, and I'll be happy to respond. Have a great day.